As we look up at the sky, you don't realize the stars are at one phase of their life. The star's life isn't like ours, though. It's quite different.
90% of the average star's life is spent as a main sequence star.
During this stage of life, it busily fuses hydrogen to helium. Billions of years later, they turn into red giants.
Did you know the core temperature is 15 million degrees Kelvin? The low-mass stars run out of energy at the core and it begins to expand.
The red giants become more luminous and redder in color.
As the star ages, it becomes larger and has less mass.
The outer shell begins to cool. During the white dwarf stage, more and more mass is lost over the next few tens of thousands of years. After this process, all that is left is the hot core of carbon. The carbon core then cools, is dim, and becomes a white dwarf, which is also known as a dead star. Now we are going to tell you about the life of a medium star.
Medium-mass stars have an estimated life of 10 billion years. Stars begin by condensing out of gas and dust.
Turns into a star nebula. The star nebulae begins in stellar nebulae, giant pockets of gas and dust in the galaxy. The gases clump together naturally by gravity.
The gases condense, form a ball, grow larger, and then begin to spin.
The next stage is protostars. The gas ball attracts more matter into itself, developing an increasingly strong gravity.
The gravity becomes powerful that hydrogen atoms fuse together in the center, which produces light and heat.
The end. All my messages.